Hello everyone. In this video, I will be talking about the most important topic that I think is in SAP Analytics Cloud is measures and dimensions. Like what type of dimensions and what is measures in SAC. So first of all, dimensions. So dimensions are ordinal data values. Like in simple terms, dimensions we have text values, we have numeric values. So in dimensions we can add dates, we can add geographic data, we can add anything. So the main difference I will tell you in a while, like what is the main difference in dimensions and measures. So first of all, the type of dimensions. We have account dimensions. Like the account dimension we mostly use in planning models. When we will be creating planning models, there we will be seeing how we use account dimensions. And the date dimensions, like by the name we can specify it is only used for date column. So what will be our date? It will be stored in these dimensions. Like here in the picture I have shown you date dimensions. This is 2020 6th month and 15 date. And then we have geographic dimensions. So in geographic dimension we add longitude, latitude for creating maps. So when we will be creating maps, we will be seeing how we can add geographic dimension. And lastly we have generic dimensions. In generic dimension we can also add longitude, latitude, and then we can create maps. In generic dimensions we add anything, like it is, I have written it is the mostly used by us. So in generic dimension we add the activity we had done and the customer name, the product name. So everything we add in generic dimension. And then we have measures. So measures are the numeric values. In simple terms I can say the numeric values we have are measures. So that is the main key difference in measures and dimensions. Like in dimensions we can add text values also, but in measures we cannot add text values. In measures what we can do, we can do aggregation. Like in measures we can do aggregation, we can sum up things, we can do count, and we can perform any calculations. We can also do calculations in dimensions, but there will be the advanced dimension like calculated measures dimension. So we can also do formatting in measures, like what will be the currency, what will be the unit, like in kgs, in USD, in anything. So let me just show you how we can create measures and how we can create dimension. So here I have my model. This is the blank model, and here how we can create, I will be clicking on add new dimension plus, and it will show me the type of dimensions. Like I told you, type of dimension generic, date, account. So first of all I will go with date, and then I will add the date name, date, and add. So this is the structured, and this is the table view. Here we can switch it to the toggle structured view and then table view. So we don't have any data, so it will be the blank. And then we have the properties here. Now we will be adding measure, so clicking on plus, and we will be adding the name like net value, and it is saying okay, we cannot give space, and then description. So it's up to you if you want to give any description. And then we have data type. like dimension. In dimensions we have decimal, integer, so I will go with decimal. Like how many decimal places you want, like after point how many numbers you want, so I will be typing like I want only one number. So then we have aggregation types, and then this is the formatting. Like this is what I will be saying, this is currency and this is USD. Okay, so this is how we can create measure and we can create dimensions. So I hope this video clear your vision about measures and dimension. In my opinion, like this is the most important concept. Like you have to know what is measures and what is dimension. So thank you and see you in the next video.